Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please do well to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You have my heart, like literally. Anyways guys, so today we are going to be doing a whole unboxing video of my new camera. So like a lot of you do not know, but I have actually been filming with my phone. So I got a phone for filming, exactly, but then I wasn't really feeling it because most times I film my videos like blindly, and then when I see the clips, I don't really like it and I just do away with those videos. So I finally decided to get a camera, and I just got it. Like, this package just literally got here, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to do a whole unboxing video showing you guys what exactly is inside this package. But of course that will be like after work because I'm still working now, but I was so excited and thumbs up, so I decided to do this intro video. So yes, let's get right into this video. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe, please. Thank you. So let's start by opening up the package. So this package came from Amazon, as you can see. Straight out of the box, I have my memory card, and I got 128 gigabytes, which I will not advise anybody to do. Please opt for a higher capacity. Then I also got the mini tripod, which has been very useful for me. This serves as a remote control for my camera. For me, it's really good. It comes with this bag that you can fit the mini tripod in. Let's go straight into the mini tripod. So you see the mini tripod, it has like buttons. You can record, you can take a picture, you can lock it. It is really comfy, you guys. Now let's go into unboxing the camera. So it comes with this extended 1-year warranty, which is really good. And then straight out of the box, we find these paperwork, which is really compulsory. I mean, like almost everything you buy, you get the paperwork, right? Straight inside the box, we have the windshield, which is very useful if you film in places that are very windy. And also we have the charging cable, which you can use to charge your camera. We also have the camera battery that comes with the camera, but guys, I will advise you to buy extra battery. For me, I got 3 extra batteries because these batteries are not really strong. Then let's go into the main camera. So straight out of this packaging, I'll do a 360 for you guys to see what it looks like. You can see the buttons, on, off, mode, recording buttons. We also have the zoom button there. This screen doesn't turn 360, but I think it does 270. I'm not sure guys, but it doesn't go 360, just so you know. Now let's try to fix the windshield. So this windshield actually covers the microphone on the camera, and it protects the microphone, or it helps you to filter out too much wind in your videos. So let's fix the battery right now. When you are fixing the battery, please make sure that that white arrow that you see there is facing that blue stuff, and make sure that the battery clicks when you put it inside. So if you need to attach your camera to anything, so this is where you can attach it. Hi guys, so this is what it looks like, and right now I'm using the just the auto mode. The way the camera came is what I'm using now, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't look bad, it actually looks good. Should we do the low light test? Let's try it. I'm going to turn off this light. Turn off, this one is already off. This was given, so I've turned off like the main light and I have just this one on, and is this nice? You guys see, it doesn't look bad, it's good. And I'm always looking here at the screen instead of looking at the lens. This is the same lighting situation that I had with the other, the ZV-1 camera. And right now I'm going to turn off these lights and let's see. See? You see, it's not really too bad, but you can obviously see the difference. Where is the sun? This intelligent auto is actually really good, you guys. You don't have to stress to set your camera, you just turn it on and you are good to go. This is me just trying to show you guys how far this zoom can go. We've come to the end of this unboxing vlog, and I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below, please. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.